I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter, the head coach for JobSearchCoachingHQ.com. That's a site with curated information you can watch, listen to, or read that will help you find work more quickly. If you want the uncurated information, all of it that I've created over the years, visit the blog located at thebiggamehunter.us. I've got thousands of posts there about different elements of job search. Okay, so I saw this article. I use an app called Feedly that gives me some information about different things that I'm interested in, and I follow job search topics because, frankly, the advice that I see is awful, and I like the topics that sometimes people choose. So this is one that was on Feedly, Feedly. Again, that's an app. I know it's for iOS because that's what I use. And let me just give you the infantile answers that were offered in this particular article. You must be proactive. Now, that part is true. And the notion that you let the opportunity come to you without trying to create the venue for opportunity, as this one suggests, is infantile. Overperform. Let's see now. Be likable. Network. Now, network is an interesting one because most people think of networking as only when they're job hunting. I think of it as a career thing. And you want to have opportunities come back to you. Oh, be attractive. Nonsense. Continue learning and developing skills. Know how to manage yourself. Know how to market yourself. Okay, here's what I'm going to suggest is the correct answer. Networking and marketing yourself are truthfully things that you want to be doing. So yes, being proactive in creating a brand so that people are drawn to you magnetically is an excellent approach. You want to be found online. You want to be sought out online. You don't always want to be chasing opportunities. You can do that in many, many different ways that I've covered in other videos. But ultimately, the notion that you lurch from job search to job search and do it then is stupid. It is the wrong approach. You want to be doing it continuously. The next thing you want to be thinking in terms of is changing jobs regularly, because here's the reality to it. If you change jobs every 2 to 3 years, I'm going to work with 3 years because I want the math to be shown to you. If you change jobs every 3 years, let's go through what its value is to you over 6 years. So the first 3, you change jobs and you get a $10,000 raise, and you get no increases after that. You're $30,000 ahead pre-tax. If you change jobs 3 years after that, you have the first $30,000, right? You have that money. You now have $60,000 over the next 3 years. So that totals up to $90,000, all because you changed jobs twice over the course of that period of time. Now, another smart move is to go to an organization that offers a bonus, because bonuses increase the value. If you got a $10,000 bonus each year from these organizations, and again, 6 years' time, $90,000 plus $60,000, you're already $150,000 ahead of the game. So think about it proactively. Consciously look for organizations where you can learn and grow. You want to remain marketable because otherwise no one wants to hire you, right? So think in terms of changing jobs every 2 to 3 years for at least $10,000 more. You will get raises within that period of time, and join an organization that offers a cash bonus. Even if it's $5,000, that's an extra $30,000, and you're $120,000 ahead of the game. So that's how you manage your career in order to make millions more. You always think in terms of how do you draw people to you? How do you build your brand so that people are interested? And as importantly, you change jobs regularly for an increase and to organizations where there's a bonus. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have questions for me about your job search, reach out to me in one of two ways. PrestoExperts.com, where you can place a phone call to me, or you can reach out to me through the app called Magnify, which is iOS only, and we have a video conversation. If you're interested in my coaching you, connect with me on LinkedIn at linkedin.com/IN/the big game hunter. Mention that you saw the video, because I just like knowing I'm helping some folks. And from there, once we're connected, message me that you're interested in coaching. I want to be clear. I do not answer questions, through LinkedIn. I just get too many of them. Contact me the ways that I've told you. In addition, if you want to follow my channel on YouTube, see the little icon down there? Click on that and you'll be subscribed to my channel there. Get notices whenever I release another video. Hope you have a great day. Take care.